Now, as you have seen in previous video, question 1 to 3, okay, it becomes actually lengthy video. That's why we have breaking the part 1 and part 2. In part 1 you will see 1 to 3. Okay, next we will see 4 to last question in this video. Okay, so now here fourth question is 1 plus sec a upon sec a equal to sin square upon 1 minus cos a. Right? Simply write here first left hand side. You start from left hand side. 1 plus sec a upon sec a. Okay, very first step. Yes, what do you do? Just think of it.
1 upon cos A.
Divide separate.
Yes.
Divide separate. So we will get here 1 upon sec a plus sec upon what? Sec a. Right? So 1 by sec a is cos a plus 1, or we can write it 1 plus cos a. Now as you know, we are required sin square upon 1 minus cos a. Okay, from here only we can find the answer by taking simply left hand side. Don't need to solve separately right hand side. Okay, just to think of it and write 1 plus cos a divided and multiplied by 1 minus cos a and 1 minus cos a. This is the new step. Okay, by looking for RHS, we need 1 minus cos a. So here 1 plus cos a divide and multiply by 1 minus cos a, and then we will get here a plus b, a minus b, 1 minus cos square and upon 1 minus cos a.
Sir,
This
sin
one
square
minus
A.
b square. 1 minus cos square is, you know, sin square a.
A
Or you are required sin square a.
upon 1 minus cos A. Hence proof.
Hence, to start from LHS and we will get the
RHS.
right hand side RHS. Apply here a plus b, a minus b, as you know, a plus b into a minus b. Already we have taken. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, simplest way. Okay, just note down it. So, now question number 6. 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a equal to sec a plus tan a. Clear? As you have seen the question, it is given the square root. Okay? So simply we will take what? Rationalization. First write the LHS. Okay? Now step number 1. 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. Yes. What is the rationalization?
1 plus sin A.
1 plus sin a. Very good. 1 plus
Sin A.
sin a upon
1 plus sin
1 plus sin a. Right? As it is. The same time as you have done in the class 9 rational number.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Rational number. Same thing here. So it becomes whole square 1 plus sin a, and this is
1
a plus b, a minus
plus
b.
B.
Okay, this
A1
is look
square.
a plus b,
A minus
a minus b equal to a square minus
B square.
b square. So you can say here 1 minus sin square. Okay, but you know 1 minus sin square is what? Whole square.
Cos A square A.
So write here 1 plus sin a whole square upon cos square a. Now square and square root has gone. Then remaining here 1 plus sin a upon cos a. And it is one of the RS, it can be asked in the examination. Okay. Now next step is here. Simply divide separately and we will get the answer. 1 upon cos a. Separate divide.
Yes, sir.
Upon sin a upon cos a. Now 1 by
Sec A.
cos a.
Sec A.
Sec a. Yes.
Plus tan A.
Plus sin upon cos tan a. Hence we have proved it. Hence proved. Now continue. Next question. Sin theta minus 2 sin 2 theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Right? Just to think what can we do in the very first step? Common. Okay? Yes, correct. So first write LHS sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So now here what is common? Sin theta. Sin theta is common. So remaining 1 minus 2 sin square theta, isn't it? And now here cos theta is common. So 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now very interesting. You see sin cos tan. It means our answer is almost came from here only.
Yes.
It has to be cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Both the bracket must be cancelled. Okay, just think about it. How to solve, how to proceed. So you have keep your mind that already we got the answer here. It must be cancellation. Okay, so simply we can write here tan theta. Okay, now change it. Okay, either you change 10 or change 1. By simply write here 1 equals to, you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Same thing you can do here also. 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta and minus cos square theta. Remember it, what I have written here, actually minus because minus sign is here. Clear? Negative sign is here. That's why I write here minus and minus instead here plus and plus. Okay, because negative sign is there. Right? So tan theta as it is, then cos square 2 sin square minus sin square. What is remaining here? Only sin square theta. So we write here cos square theta minus
2.
sin square theta, and here also 2 cos square minus cos square. So cos square is here minus sin square theta. Write the bracket and then cancel it. So you get here 10 times your isn't it? Once again you can see here. Okay, cos square sin square minus 2 sin square. So 1 sin square is remaining here. Right? Same thing here. 2 cos square minus cos square. So 1 cos square and then sin square theta. Okay? Yes, come on. Then we'll see the next question. Then see the next question. Question number 8. Sin a plus cosec whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square, and this thing we have to get 7 plus 10 square a plus 4 square. Okay? Then how to start first of all? What do you think about it? Okay. Simply you are taking the whole square. Just open the bracket because we are getting square there. Just to try for that. Write LHS sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. Isn't it? Simply apply the identity a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Same thing apply here. Okay? Yes, then what we get here? Come on. Sin square a
Plus 2 sin a
sin a cosec a plus cosec square a. This for one first bracket.
Yes, sir.
Now then the second bracket right here, cos square a plus 2 cos sec a plus sec square a. Correct, excellent. Clear? Simply a plus b whole square. Now keep in mind that we have to get 7.
Yes.
Okay, yes, good. Now the see sin square a and cos square a write together and it is 1.
1.
You know the identity, or you can write here sin square a plus cos square a 1. Now see, cosec means 1 upon sin. So it has 1, write 2. Sin a, and I change it, cosec means 1 upon sin. This thing I have written here. Okay? Then open cosec square a. Identity of cosec square is 1 plus cos square a. I have written cosec square A as 1 plus cot square A. Okay, it is already we have taken. And again, this is what 2 cosec and sec means 1 by cosec. Clear? In the same way as we have opened cosec square A, in the same way sec square is 1 plus tan square A. Very good. 1 plus
10 square.
tan square A. Now you see. This one is gone. Cos. Here also.
Sine.
Now it is already, you know,
1,
1 plus 2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we can write here 7 plus. Now what is remaining here? 10 square A plus cot square A. 10 square A plus
Cot
cot square A, and it's our RHS. Hence,
prove.
true. Yes, no. So now proceed. Next question. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cosec and equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Okay, as you know in identity, sometimes we have taken the LHS and prove the RHS. Okay, sometimes we will take the right hand side and prove it through left hand side. Okay, and sometimes we have to solve both the side and prove it for someone. For both are equal, it means LHS equal to RHS. So here first we have taken LHS and let's see that what we are getting. So cosec A minus sin A and sec A minus cosec. Yes, cosec
1 upon sine A.
1 upon sin A minus
Sine A.
sin A. Okay,
1 upon cos A.
1 upon cosec minus
Cos A.
cosec. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Simply we take the LCM. Yes.
Sine A.
Sin 1 minus
Sine A.
sin square A. Same thing here, beta.
Cos A.
Cosec LCM.
Yes.
Then 1 minus
Cos square A.
cos square A. Correct. Now 1 minus sin square is, as you know,
Cos square A.
cos square A. Very good. Upon sin A. And here
Sine square A.
sin square A
Upon cos A.
upon cos A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Simply here 1 minus sin square A means you know cos square A, and 1 minus cos square A as you are saying sin square A. Okay. Now cos square A, cos sin square A, sin. So now what is remaining here?
Cos square
Cos
A.
A, sin. By solving LHS, we will get this one cos into sin. Now solve RHS. It is given 1 plus tan
Plus cos.
plus cot A. Okay. So
Sin
tan
A
is
upon
sin
cos
upon
A.
cos A. Change the tan and cot in terms of sin and cos.
Yes, sir.
Right? So tan A, we have written sin A upon cos A
Plus cos A.
plus cos A upon sin A.
Sine A.
Okay.
Yes.
So LCM here cos A into sin A. Isn't it?
Yes.
It becomes sin square A plus cos square A. Now what do you know? Sin square plus cos square is 1.
Yes.
So 1 upon sin A cos A becomes cos A
Sine
into
A.
sin A.
It's proof.
Hence, both are equal. So LHS equal to
RHS.
RHS. In this way, we can prove it. Some of the questions by taking both the side. Now, next question. Question number 10. 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. One side given. Next, 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square equal to tan square A. Okay. So we have to put both equal to tan square A. First we will take one side, that is LHS. Write that as it is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Simply just use the identity, nothing else. 1 plus tan square is what?
Sec square A.
Sec square
A.
A. So write here sec square A.
cosec square.
And 1 plus cos square is
Cosec square A.
cosec square. Right?
Yes.
Now sec means 1 by cos,
Yes.
and cosec means 1 upon sin.
1 upon 6.
Okay, reciprocal. 1 upon sin is equal to sin square upon 1. So it becomes sin upon cos
Tan square
tan
A.
square. Okay. One side we have solved and we will get tan square
A.
A. Then solve it. 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square. Okay. Change tan in term of 10 simply. Okay. Instead of taking 1 and 10, 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus 1 upon 10. Okay. We are doing the simplest way. We are not changing sin and cos. Okay, it becomes quite lengthy.
Yes.
Simply first you change cot into unknown tan. Later on you change sin and cos. First you change tan and cot into interchange them if it is required. So right here 1 minus tan A. Okay, beta? And then here tan A minus
1.
1 upon tan A. Right? So now see, actually we are required tan square. Okay? So now take minus common from here. Remember, minus taken as a common from here, and we can write that tan A minus 1. This is upon tan A minus 1, and it becomes 1 upon tan A is tan A and whole square. This is one.
Cancel.
So then this cancel minus tan A whole square equal to tan square. That's why LHS is equal to
RHS. Hence proof.
hence. See. Clear?